Hello, people. So, this is something one normally doesn't. I don't really make a video of it and speak about it. But the fact that tarot card reading is something that is very, it's like, I don't know, I'm just drawn to it, and I feel that this is something I've been meant to do. So really, people, anyone out there who wants a reading, uh, I just charge 500 bucks for literally three readings, because with one reading वो मन भर नहीं जाता. Three readings you feel at least satisfied. I was doing five readings for that 500 bucks, but then I realized too much of it is also not such a good thing. So three readings for 500 bucks, and it's this is something that I just feel that certain things, right? I mean, for some people it is singing, painting, dance, thing, but for me, reading is something that I feel like I'm meant to do. I can hardly explain it. It's like, and so that's what it's. So anyone out there who wants a reading, do let me know. You can message me, and it's we can have a reading over a video call also. And earlier I would love to probably even meet a person, because sometimes I don't know, this is called psychometry, but I'm able to sometimes read the energy of a person. So this is just so fascinating, right? So people, do let me know if you all want a reading, and we'll take it from there. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.